base extension stabilize the position? The answer becomes clear here. White attempts to cut black, but after black Hana, the stones connect effortlessly. Black's group is now settled, while white's head is blocked, leaving white's shape over-concentrated. Black's one-space extension is too narrow and vulnerable. White's approach not only reinforces the corner, but also threatens black's two-stone or dual-purpose move. A one-space extension cannot guarantee life. Without a base, black's group drifts into the center. Beginners often avoid dead groups, but neglect securing roots, allowing opponents to build thickness through attacks. If black ignores, white can strike at A or B, gaining senti influence. Black's three-space extension is overly ambitious. Unlike a two-space extension, a white invasion here risks splitting black's group. Though black can connect with a wedge at A, it comes at a cost. Safety lies in sticking two-space extensions. Black's jump ignores standard corner edge principles. When white blocks, black become floating stones without a base. While not immediately under attack, the lack of stability is a long-term liability. Compare this to a two-space extension solidity. A basic Joseki beginners must memorize. Note its relation with bases. White's 3-3-point secures the corner, while black's extension ensures a foothold. Black's large knight move prioritizes speed over the usual two-space extension. This aligns with black lower left stones for framework. If unchallenged, it's more efficient than a two-space extension. White invades black's weak point. Black connects, conceding territory but building central thickness. The outcome isn't unfavorable for black, so white should time invasions better. White's Hana after black's attachment is likely a bad move. Black's cut leaves white helpless, forcing white to leave a small, while black strengthens. Black's extension follows principles. The large knight move coordinates with stones on the third and fourth lines, ensuring connectively even if invaded. A common small knight Joseki, black's underneath attachment reinforces before the knight's move. The two stones form a harmonious large knight shape. Black connects, white jumps. Black's follow-up extension influence is critical. Neglecting this lets white attack, leaving black rootless. Black's extension at A aligns with the stand 2, extend 3 principle. A two-space extension here is inefficient. Black's two stones warrant three spaces. Even a one-line difference impacts efficiency. Black's tiger mouse followed by a large knight move is optimal. This Joseki efficiently pressures white's lower left corner. White's star point. White's next move is a beginner mistake. Blocking black's corner access leaves a weakness at A. A black exploits this later, gaining advantage. In another scenario, white's move is strong. Black extends, white jumps, preempting black's extension space. Black's forced one-space extension is unsatisfactory. White then destroys black's base, leaving it floating. The arrow? Black's direction of approach was wrong, approaching from the opposite side of white's star point is correct. Black's hasty extension meets white's diagonal attachment. Black's extension becomes inefficient. highlighting why exchanging at A or B first was necessary. Against White's approach, Black's two-space extension secures a base. White's follow-up forces Black into an inefficient shape. The stand 3, extend 4 principle applies here. Overextending invites invasions. Underextending wastes efficiency. Balance, high or low, and spacing is key. White's next move is tricky. Blindly adhering to third or fourth line extension won't work. Recognizing when each is appropriate, too low or too high, is crucial in Weiqi. White's extension follows principles, but all left side stones are on the third line, allow configuration unlikely to yield territory. As Weiqi quipped, beauty requires undulations, mix high and low for balance. White's knight move adjusts for high-low harmony. Playing fourth line elevates the position. Pure two-space extensions ignore broader context. After Black-White's exchanges, Black's fourth line move balances the low triangle, ignoring high-low harmony. Example, all third line stones limits territory partition. Black's move exemplifies high-low awareness. With triangle low, the fourth line is correct. Playing at position A is viable, but B is too low.